So we got to get some groceries before we do this recipe. And so we've got to pick up oranges and, what did you say, clovers and cloves. This is clearly his recipe, you guys. And the wine. Yes. So if you're not familiar with what mulled cider is, it is basically apple cider with alcohol. And we usually pair ours with wine, and it's really, really delicious. And you add oranges and other citruses to it along with spices and whatnot. It's a really great drink for the holidays and just overall cooler temperatures. And we've actually made this before in the past, a couple of times in the past, and it's usually a hit, especially with large group gatherings and whatnot. And so this is something that we enjoy ourselves, and we want to be able to share it with you guys. Okay, so we just left Kroger. The cloves were really high, like $12 a bottle. And so we're gonna go to another supermarket and see if we can get it for cheaper, because we honestly don't need that much either, but $12 for a bottle of cloves is wild. So crazy savings. We went from having to almost pay $12 to $1.50 for exactly what we need. So yeah, now we are off to the liquor store, which is 100 feet from where we are. I didn't want to walk. All right, so we got everything we needed, and now we are headed home to make some mulled cider. Okay, so we are back home and we are about to make the mulled cider. We already have some ingredients here with us. You saw us get the wine earlier. We picked up our orange, and we got our cloves. And we have the cider too, right, babe? And we have the cider, so let's get started. Okay, so fair warning, we are not the group of people that measure out certain things, and the mulled cider recipe is one of them. And so, of course, I'll link below what all we used, but we really have no measurements here except for use all the wine and use all the cider, and use your spices as you wish. We've been letting this cook for 45 minutes, and so now we're gonna try some. So I got our mugs. Okay, you ready to try?
Yes.
Cheers.
So good. So warm.
This is definitely for like a cool day. Even if you're feeling sick, honestly. It's borderline like a toddy because it's got that the apple in it. So it's kind of like a vinegary bite almost. And you've got the wine.
It's like really rich. Soothing, great for by a fire or something like that.
Yeah. I think we had this one year when both our parents were here.
Yeah, I think so, yeah. I think the first time they were all here. Yeah, so this is a great choice. Holidays or any time of the year, really.
Yeah. All right, you guys. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. See you next time. Bye.